Hi guys, today I'm gonna prank my son 5 times. Let's get started. I'm gonna make a special sandwich for Max. But this special sandwich is gonna have a huge hole. So what you have to do, just cut the part and cut hole in tomatoes. Look like this. Hole in the bacon. Canadian bacon, then lettuce and cheese. And let's see how Max like it.
No! Game over!
Lunchtime, Max!
I'm so hungry, okay? Why is there a hole? What happened? Why is there a hole? Did someone bite this?
I got you, Max!
Oh!
I'm gonna make a special treat for Max because he loves ice cream, so I'm gonna use shaving cream and see how he like that. Oh, that looks good. Looks like ice cream. Okay, let me hide everything. It's like he's coming.
Oh, what is that? I smell ice cream! It doesn't
Taste it. It tastes very
Are you
good.
sure? Okay.
Yes, taste it.
Oh, it wasn't ice cream!
Revenge is sweet. Since Max likes Coca-Cola, I mix Mountain Dew and soy sauce. And I can't wait to see Max's reaction. Come on, let's go and see. Max, I got you something.
Oh, I'm so tired!
That's very good.
It doesn't smell.
Drink.
Okay! Oh my god, that tastes so bad! Why
Prank
did you
is
give me this?
successful.
Mom, I need new socks! I need new socks!
You just had.
I don't have any more socks!
Yeah, I'll bring it to you.
You better make it quick! Or
Okay.
else.
Okay, come back in 5 minutes.
I'll be back when you're finished!
Okay, I have to get your socks. Okay, I got socks and I got paprika. Shh, I have to be quiet. I don't want he hear me. So I'm gonna put some paprika inside and we'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, and another sock. I got your socks.
Okay, I'm here! Oh, thank you! I really needed socks! Okay, let me try these on!
It's your favorite color.
Oh, I love blue! And I'm now putting on my last sock. Okay. Wait, why is it so hot? It's so hot! Oh,
I got you again, Max.
Mom, I want to go to my friend's house!
Okay, what is that? Let me clean your face.
What is that you're
It's for
using?
cleaning. You're gonna be very clean. Wait, let me use that.
I've never seen this stuff before.
It's gonna
Hopefully
be
it makes me
extreme-
look better. Is that good?
Yeah, it looks
Do I
perfect.
look good?
Yes, you can
Okay,
go.
now I'm heading on to my friend's house.
Okay.
Mom, everyone laughed at me.
You look great.
Let me take
Look
a
at
look.
the mirror.
What did you do to me?
You got friends.
Thanks a lot, Mom.
Thanks for watching. Please like.
And subscribe. Subscribe. It's free. It doesn't hurt you and it helps us for future videos. Don't worry. I'll get you next time, Mom. Bye.